Aloha. I think it's around 5:30. I'm on the north shore of Maui. The sun is just humongous. It looks a lot bigger until you zoom in though. But still, it's so bright. There was no clouds today. There's Haleakala, that's the volcano. Look, you can actually see the whole thing. House of the Rising Sun. And I want to say 18,000 feet. But I might be getting confused with Mauna Kea on the Big Island, but I think it's like 12 to 18,000 feet maybe. Haleakala, House of the Rising Sun. There's our moon. But the sky today, look how clear it is. I mean, there's no clouds. See everything. That hasn't been happening every day. We've been getting some nice weather here, but there's still been clouds. But wow, I thought that was a trail for a minute. Holy moly, look at that ray. Just goes on for days. That's the West Maui Mountains. It's the EL Valley. Anyway, I'm gonna make this one a quickie, so I love you guys. Hope you're having a good day, and I love you guys' videos you're putting up. So nice to be able to see this from all over the world. I feel like they must not be around us today because they're not trying to hide anything. Unless that's like, I don't know. Beautiful though. May have to go to the beach tomorrow. Get some footage from the beach. Okay, I love you guys. Aloha. God bless you. Aloha. I think it's around 5:30. I'm on the north shore of Maui. The sun is just humongous.